Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How's everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to upscale an empty square tin container into an elegant jewelry box. To begin, I will show you the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. First, we will need an empty cookie tin container. This one was gifted to me over the holidays, and as you can see, I have already enjoyed all the cookies this tin box used to hold. We will also need one mirror slightly smaller than the size of the cookie tin cover. This one is a hexagon shape, and we'll find out later whether it fits. Otherwise, if you have a square one handy, that will do just as good. We will also be using some mini mirror tiles, some silver glitter contact paper, some silver beaded necklace, a silver bangle, some silver diamond wrap, and some silver rhinestone ribbon, both of which I found in bulk on Amazon, and some jeweled border stickers. To help us with today's craft project, we will also need some silver paint and white paint, some Fix-All, some clear tacky glue, and our handy dandy hot glue gun. Mine was purchased from Amazon. To begin, we will need to apply the silver glitter contact paper to the outer body of the tin box. And while we work on this, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you're visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. While applying the contact paper, take your time to gently smooth out any air bubbles as best as you can by using the flat part of your hands and fingers. Once the silver glitter contact paper is applied, there may be some excess hanging off the edges at the bottom. Use an X-Acto knife to carefully trim off the excess edges. Next, take a couple of rows of mini mirror tiles and line the bottom of the tin box to create a border. This pack of mini mirror tiles comes in sticker format, so no glue is required. Here is what the box looks like so far. Then we repeat with the top. But before we do that, make sure to use your X-Acto knife again to trim off the excess of the contact paper from the top. I discovered that when you try to place the lid on, the silver glitter contact paper is slightly thick enough to make it difficult to place the lid on. So rather than covering the upper part of the box with contact paper, I ended up trimming it off and painting the upper part white. For additional embellishments, here I'm applying some jeweled and pearl ribbon border stickers across the body of the tin container in a horizontal fashion. Once that is done, put the tin container aside while we work on decorating the cover. For the lid, we are going to partially paint the top with silver metallic paint. Here I am using some leftover paint containing some silver glitter as well. You will notice here that I am not bothering to paint the entire cover. I'll show you why shortly. Here I'm using some hot glue to adhere some rhinestone ribbon all around the side of the lid. And here I'm applying some diamond wrap just around the corners of the cover, right directly on top of the paint. I'm using some clear tacky glue for this process, as it will allow me to make small adjustments in the placement of the diamond wrap while still having a relatively quick drying time. Next, I use some hot glue to adhere a string of silver beaded necklace all around the border to frame the cover. And here I have removed the mirror from the hexagon frame, and I am applying some Fix-All as well as hot glue to the back of the mirror. The reason for the Fix-All is that it will give a longer lasting hold, whereas the hot glue will give near immediate hold. Once you have carefully placed the mirror to the center of the lid, this is what it should look like. And here I am putting the final touches of embellishments to the cover. The last piece of embellishment is a round silver bangle, which I adhere to the center portion of the mirror using some hot glue. Once the glue is dry, use your favorite glass cleaner to wipe down the mirror and remove any marks and fingerprints. And here's the final look for our Glam jewelry box made from an empty cookie tin container. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY Glam project. I hope to see you all soon.